Hi everyone, my name is David Castle and today I'm going to teach you how to do the 10 to 20 card force. This is yet another easy to do force that's very impressive to the spectator. Here's how you do it. Take a regular deck of cards, these are bicycle cards, and count down to the 10th card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which happens to be the 7 of clubs. Now it's very important when you do this card force that you always know what the 10th card down is from the top in advance. Okay, so there is a little bit of work you have to do in advance because you have to know the 10th card down from the top. Okay, so don't forget the 7 of clubs. Once you've remembered the 10th card down from the top, you're ready to perform this. You go up to a spectator and you ask them to think of a number between 10 and 20. Now this is very important. Between 10 and 20. They can't pick 10, they can't pick 20. Okay? So it's between. So let's say they say 15. What you do is you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that was their number, so you count 15 cards off the top. Okay, I'm just going to set these down right over here. We don't need these. Now, no matter what number they pick between 10 and 20, you always, after you count the cards off, you always say, you know, this is a lot of cards. Let's narrow this down by adding the 2 digits together. Now in their case, it was 15. So you say, what is 1 plus 5? They say 6. You go, okay, we're going to do this again, and we're going to count off just 6 this time. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you say, this is the 6th card. This is the one I want you to have. And of course, it is the 7 of clubs, the card we wanted to force. Okay? This is an interesting force. A lot of people don't necessarily use this, so that's why it's kind of a neat force to use. You don't see it used very often, even though it's been around in the magic community for many, many years. The lay person won't understand what you're doing. So remember, let's recap. Remember the 10th card down from the top of the deck before you start the magic trick. Have the spectator pick a card, or excuse me, pick a number between 10 or 20. In our case, they said 15. You count 15 cards off the top of the deck, and then you always say, this is a lot of cards. Let's add the 2 digits of your number together to narrow it down further. In our case, it was 5 plus 1, which is 6. Now, when you count to the 6th card, or whatever your number is, that, of course, is the force card. You go ahead, hand them the card, and in our case, we came to our force card, the 7 of clubs. This is a great force, easy to do, it works every time. Just make sure they don't pick 10 or 20. It has to be between 10 and 20, and you'll be just fine. I hope you enjoyed this card force. Go out there and impress some people. Have a great day.